What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to solve this trigonometric equation, which is cotan theta times cosine squared theta equals to 2 cotan theta. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this one to the left hand side. So we have cotan theta times cosine squared theta minus 2 cotan theta equals to 0. So cotan theta, you factor it, is going to be cosine squared theta minus 2 equals to 0. So you have two parts now. It's going to be either cotan theta equals to 0 or cosine squared theta minus 2 equals to 0, which means that cosine squared theta equals to 2 and cosine theta equals to plus minus root 2. You know the range for cosine and sine are negative 1 to 1. Positive root 2 and negative root 2 is outside this range because root 2 is greater than 1 and negative root 2 is less than negative 1. So there is no answer in here. However, here we have cotan theta is 0, which means that the answer can be pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. That's for 0 to 2 pi. Pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, cotan is going to be 0 because cosine is 0 in this too. If you want to find out the general solution, you're going to say pi over 2 plus 2n pi and 3 pi over 2 plus 2n pi. And then you can combine these two because 3 pi over 2 is pi over 2 plus pi. So you can say pi over 2 plus n pi, and n can be any kind of integer, positive or negative. So this is going to be the general solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding trigonometric equations. Thank you for watching and have a great day.